Hey Queens, welcome back to Gears and Queers. I'm Jake, and as you can see, there's no Chris. Obviously, if things have ramped up here, we've really sort of quarantined ourselves inside our own homes, and you'll be seeing content coming from both of us independently over the next coming weeks. Hopefully it doesn't last too long, but we shall see. I just wanted to pop in and let you know that the video you're about to see was filmed before Georgia's strict stay-at-home order. Chris and I had sort of been quarantining within our own circles for most of that time. This is before we really sort of isolated ourselves at home, so just wanted to let you know that. Also just wanted to say I hope you're all well. I hope everyone is safe. I hope if you have the luxury of being able to work at home, you are. Stay at home, as much as possible. And if anyone who sees this or follows us, anything, is considered an essential worker and is out there putting their health and their life on the line, whether it's working in the healthcare industry or even just bagging groceries, it literally does not matter. I just want to say thank you. I hope you stay healthy, and if anyone's sick or anything, I wish you a speedy recovery. I'm not really sure what the next couple of weeks or months holds for us here. We'll be sort of rolling with the punches respectively, trying to get you guys content and keep ourselves sane while we're both locked in our homes. But yeah, I just wanted to wish you all well and let you know that what you're about to see is part 2 of the Benz brake job from hell. Let us know if you guys want to see anything specific, any ideas, or just want to let us know how you're doing. See you in the next one. Enjoy. Well, here she is. I have no garage at home, so this should be quite the undertaking. But again, this should be simple. You can see the front brakes have bed in quite nicely. Nice shiny surface. They got rid of that weird sort of waxy coating they had. Stopping has been much improved. So it is time for the rears. So let's do it. See that? Yeah. Sorry. Is someone stronger and ballsier than me want to give this a shot? Here, hold up. I love that.
Is it because you're...
Oh god, don't say something to me.
No, is it because of the parking brake?
Would that hold it on?
Maybe.
I swear to god, if I've been begging against my parking brake this entire time, I'm gonna feel real bad.
Oh my god.
Why are we so dumb?
We?
Why am I so dumb? Hey, Miss Ma'am, do we want to go back to front brakes?
Okay, Linda.
Just take a little brake fluid out. This is how worn these pads were. All right, people. This is what we're working with. Completely ruined pad. Sorry, completely ruined rotor. I mean, not the worst I've ever seen, but certainly not great. And pads still had some life in them. I mean, the rears usually do, but I wouldn't say by much. But we've got new ATE rotors and pads going in. Only the best. It's actually all they had, but whatever. So let's do that. Well, that was far from sophisticated. One wheel's done. Let's do the other one. We have something. Y'all, I don't know what is up with this. Does this one have a set screw? No, it's just a little stud. It's just seized. Perfect. Don't give her a tug.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my god, amazing.
How the fuck?
What the f? You got the magic touch.
Did you?
Well, that's all she wrote, folks. Well, we're finally done. Finally have a fully Renault brake system on the Benz. And per usual, it wouldn't be a Gears and Queers wrenching video if it hadn't taken multiple hours, lots of beer, and it hadn't turned to night. So we'll report back on the stopping power, but finally got to be done. That took way longer than it should have thanks to completely seized discs. God knows how long they'd actually been on this car, but finally done. I don't know what's next. So we'll probably move to maybe a valve adjustment, maybe some interior tidbits. That's it for us. I'm gonna go pass out. Let's hope she stops. But thanks for tuning in, y'all. We will catch you in the next one.
Bye-bye.